recording. Okay. Okay, so we'll try to create another application or project. So I'm using this one, npx create form calculator, for example. Okay. So next, let's try to open that one. Open folder. Okay. Then okay. So don't worry, it will be discussed later on. I'm just checking if the if the module is correct. From React. Save. Error, we have two errors. But if we remove this one, successful. Okay, so anyway class, okay, and may remove this one. This is working already. Yep, save, and then this is the output. There you go. So this is correct already. There. What I did is, based from our reference, this one, and there. So this is my reference, and let's go now to our codes here. Okay, so in React Native, every object or command here should be imported in this part. Okay, like for example, we have the style sheet. There is style sheet for the design, and then next is we have the text, the view, scroll view, image, and so on the like. Okay, and then we have also the button component. By the way class, this is if you install that in your extension, the React Native, this one, this ES7 React, and also this one React Native tools, it will automatically suggest if there's if you added some components that needs to be imported in your code, like for example this one, button. So automatic it will create this line of code. Next, if you notice here in our code, okay, this is our text box. This one, okay, text input, and then we have, this is the text, this is the tag that is used for creating a text box in your web page. And then we have also here the design. So the design is very important, border and margin, for example. Without this, the text box will not appear in our web page, so hindi siya mag-appear doon. So you have to put some style, and then this is optional. So if you want to put this one, this is a placeholder. And also this is a JavaScript, so it's a combination of a tag, the style, and then the JavaScript. So on change npm1 so this will be the name of the text box, of this text box. Then is equal to this state, so that it will, this command num is equal to greater than this, that set state num1, so that it will get any data from this text box, and then put that in our variable here. But you have to state here our constructor, so you have to put some constructor here for num1 and num2. This is state again. So this is used for getting the data, or the character or a number, for example, and then put that in here, this one. Okay, so again, this is the name of the text box, num1 and num2. Now for the result, for example here, num1 variable num1 plus, we included the plus sign, num2. So any result from here, it will be put in our variable result sum and then display. Again, this is JavaScript alert there. So for example, our alert about, so num1 okay, so let me check, comma ba, comma, double quote, error, no error, see, error siya, delete, save, see. Sorry, this is concatenation. Yeah, I forgot. The default data type of this one is string. So if you will notice in our output, here, concatenation, concat. So that is not the correct output. So we have to convert the string to integer. So let's try, excuse me, how about parse int? Then this one, parse int, save. Yep. Okay, so again, this is the default data type of this text box is a string. So you need to convert that string to integer by using this one, this function, parse int. Okay, so the output will be yeah. Okay, 15. There you go. So that's correct already. Now let's go back to our code. So for example, concatenation yun. Wait. Num1, comma, 213 23. Okay, num1, then double quote, plus sign, comma, then num2, then comma, equal, comma, save. So let's try this code. So this will be the output. Okay, try natin. 1 2. Wait lang, ayaw niyang. So we have an error, logical error. We don't have any syntax error, but we do have a logical error. Wait, this is a number, an integer, and we're combining that with a string. Let's try another method using the plus sign. Plus sign, no. Maybe we have to convert the numbers to string. Let's say result and num1 and num2, or we can put na lang this one because this is a string. There. Plus pa rin siya. Okay. Plus sign. There you go. Yep. Okay lang siguro. So this is the result, by the way, class. Parang same with the JavaScript. By the way, this is a combination of the JavaScript and this is the React Native. This is the React Native. But they are using a different tag. So for example, we have here the input, text input, but in HTML kasi we are using text input. I mean input type text, right? But in here we are using the text input. Okay, so let's try to combine it with a JavaScript. Yeah. functions or operations, for example conditional statements. Let's try this one. So this is the format or the syntax for the conditional statement in Java or JavaScript. Okay, yan. So let's try it. So let's go back in our code. There. So for example, Java condition if num1 is less than num2, for example, then no, then alert. Okay lang yan. Double alert. Let's say let me copy this one first, and then adding components were done. Adding two numbers. Iba yung kulay niya. Anyway, so for example here, alert less than, save. Then let's see. So that is a JavaScript. Okay, conditional statement JavaScript, and so for example 1 2 1 is less than 2, less than. But how about greater than? For example 3. No alert. We don't have any alert because we don't have any condition for that one, right? There. Okay, good. So working naman na siya. So meaning, yeah, for the React Native, one of the programming language that you can use for the React Native is the JavaScript. And you can also use else if, or yeah, else if num1 is greater than num2, for example, then alert greater than. So we have an error. Nope, we don't have any. Error. Ay, yung kanina yun sa while ago. So here, no error. Let's see. So less than, greater than, but how about equal? Less than, same value, 1 1. We don't have any alert. So if in case that you put another condition or using the else if both conditions are false, then maybe they are equal. Greater than equal, greater equal, what happened? Cool. One, dapat this is false. Sorry, greater equal, it's equal. Yeah, so the code is correct. So that's it. Yan. So next meeting, now that we're used to this is they call it data binding actually. So let me share you this code. And, so table. Using conditional statement. Yes. Okay. Good. No. Module. Then copy link. Add. No. Create a topic. Actually, this is our week 9. Okay. Anyway, this is posted in our Google Classroom there, and also my video demonstration